passenger train. Right? Who's hanging on the right?
You can stand in front.
One of the lawmen. Uh-oh.
I can see them.
All right, all right. We don't have anything. This here's a passenger train, right? Okay.
Give me the gold.
Michael, give me gold.
Looks like it was
You can have my allowance too.
they used to.
You can take her.
It ain't right. It ain't right. Quit. Will you? Quit. Ain't no sketching posters. I know it.
You can take care of yourself. I'm trying.
Impossible.
I don't understand what's going on. We weren't supposed to have no gold there. None at all.
Took her gold.
All right, Joe.
Don't hurt Michael, he's cute.
Get him. As a marshal on this train to find out who told about the gold. Who said we had the gold because there's spies on this train?
All right. Yeah.
Right there. Right now. Okay, y'all ready? Everybody ready? Holy cow, y'all. Now I have to go back and tell my boss I lost the gold. Me too.
Preacher, you can't see that far.
Holy cow, yeah. Alright, whoever told the gold, y'all gotta get off and push. See what happened? Lose the gold, gotta push.
That guy right there looks familiar from the movie.
All right.
He's got a must. Don't he look like what's his name? He's really here they come again. Really important. I'll think of his name when we leave.
All right, y'all. Give them a hand.
What did they do?
If you got little kids, want to pet the horse, go ahead. If y'all brought carrots and apples, it'd be better. Maybe next year. All right, okay.
Cute.
What is this gunslinger?
This here's my cousin Johnny Long. Right there. One of the mountain shooters, a shooting aficionado. You and I ain't shot in a while.
There's some people coming way down yonder. Yeah, they lost. They don't know what they're doing out there.
We could have done without them.
Looks like a steam engine for sure. It's got the tender in the back with the cola and everything.
Check it out.
stop before you get off, so nobody likes watching everybody slide when they get off. So make sure that we stop before y'all disembark. My name is the Jailer, and I hope that y'all have a great time on this train. Y'all go get you something, watch that shootout, and y'all come back and ride this train again, okay?
Sam Bass also died. One thing the bastard died was just how fast his old friend did. And at a time like this, I think we should have a moment of silence for his old friend. A moment of silence. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen, the internationally famous 6-gun gunfighters. Good job. Ladies and gentlemen, the Wild Cowboys have unload the guns and they'll be right back out to take some pictures and shake hands and tell you horror stories.
Shooters on the line. Shooters set. All right, we got 1165 on number 1. Goes hit on 2. 3067 on 3. And goes hit on 2. Shooters set.